Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Happy Saturday to you all. So this morning, I've been working on some cards. I just finished some scrapping with my sister, who was making some birthday cards as well. But I wanted to pull out this kit that I bought a couple of weeks ago at Joann's. It's the card making kit called Where to Next by Vicki Boutin. And I shared with you a week and a half ago the cards that I made. I made all of the ones that are listed here. Plus, I made another set using the stickers. But then there was still more cards because you get 20 cards in here. So there were still more cards to be made. So when I ran to Joann's at lunchtime, they have the embellishment pack. Embellishment or ephemera pack. And you can see it's all about travel. Just you can send, it doesn't matter. I mean, I don't send cards for people who are going on cruises, but that's the theme, where to next. So very, very colorful, almost a little tropical. So I pulled this out and I made some more cards and I wanted to share with you guys. So here's the first one that I made. And it's just a bunch of sweet treats, gelato and fruity drink and a nice coffee and ice cream and some of those drinks with those things in the bottom, which I don't know what they called. And then I just used the ephemera piece that says time to relax. And it's all on top of a green doily. And I'm using some of my wooden sequins that I love to use when I'm doing beach themes or tropical themes or travel themes, anything with relaxing in beach and palm trees and stuff like that. So I haven't done the inside yet, but I did put a little signature thing on the back. So that was one. Then I did this one here. And that has all those beautiful tropical flowers. And I just used a sticker from Park Lane, Joann's. It's a chipboard sticker set. So you get several different sentiments. And I use the one that says hello. So, like I said, really beachy, right? I popped them up on dimensional foam. And then, okay, the signature again. And then this one here has the palm tree, the flowers. I dug in my little wooden stash. I found a little airplane and two butterflies. And then that says memory. I haven't pulled this out in so long. You guys probably have the same thing. It just has wooden of everything. I even have some animals in here. There's butterflies. There's quotes. You name it. You name it. So if I use 5 a year, I'm happy. So I thought that one came out really cute. It's on the backdrop is a clipboard that was in the embellishment kit. Okay, so that's the third one. And then this one here, I just clustered a bunch. I have the airplane up top, and then I have the suitcase with the stopwatch or the directional watch, the passport, and the camera that says smile here, and then it's the take a photo. So really cute. And of course, that's clustered on top of a white doily as well. The background looks like that. I like these cards because the background is really pretty. It's not just like white cardstock. And then here is the fifth one. Ready to go. So I have the shoes. I made this little cluster of leaves and some of the cutout pieces. I dug in my stash and I pulled out these mixed leaves. I don't know if they're by Wild Orchid Craft or the other company. I haven't worked with a lot of these type of flowers in a long time, but they are what I consider tropical. So I just broke off a piece here. And again, some more of the wooden sequence. And I stuck the glasses between the handle of the bag. So that's that card. And the back looks like that. Okay, and the sixth one is just a thank you card. It had this beautiful envelope with the flowers, and then I just put this on top of the middle of the envelope and a sentiment thank you. And that sentiment there is from another embellishment box I bought at Joann's. I showed this to you guys too. It's Park Lane Ephemera. And it's 489 pieces. So you can see you get lots of flowers, lots of sentiments. Just a plethora of stuff. So I'm using that thank you on this card. And this card is pretty on the back as well. And then the last one, it had these beautiful butterflies on the inside. So I put some foam tape down the middle. And then it had these stickers. One said happy times for you. And I just put them on some black cardstock and glued them down. You can see they're on foam as well. And that's that card in the back. Looks like that. Really pretty. So that was really fast. 7 cards. I think I have one that I'm still playing with. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm just not... I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to go with this. But it had this house buildings. And then this is a sticker, wish you were here, thinking of you. But then when you open it, you can kind of see this. So I think I'm going to put something like a light blue background, or maybe put it here. And I think I want it like maybe an airplane or birds or something. So again, I'm not finished. And I have 2 of these. I have this one and I have another one. And then this kit is complete. And I have more cards in my stash. So happy about that. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. 7 cards made, or 8 cards made using the card making kit from Vicki Boutin. Where to next? So thank you guys for watching. Have a great afternoon. We'll talk in my next video. Bye now.